Which one of the below plants is not pollinated by wind? Tomato. The process by which animals shed old skin is called molting. What is the process of joining parts from two plants so they grow as one called grafting? Which of the following is a reflex action? Pulling hand from flame. Why do deciduous trees drop leaves in winter? To conserve water. Which living organism has no brain but can still move and react? Jellyfish. A plant growing in salty soil is called halophyte. Hair and nails are made up of which one of the following proteins? Keratin. Who wrote the book Systema Naturae? Carl Linnaeus. What is the average normal temperature of the human body? (98.6°F). Which practice improves soil fertility by planting legumes that fix nitrogen? Crop rotation. Which is the rarest blood type in humans? AB negative.